In February 2026, Block's leadership made a brutal calculation. Jack Dorsey authorized the elimination of 40% of the company's global workforce. Block's headcount bloated to over 12,000 workers in 2022, but in early 2026, that number dropped sharply to under 6,000. Stripping out this salary expense pushed operating margins to record highs, targeting a massive $2 million in gross profit per employee. Most tech companies lay people off to survive a cash crunch. Block executed these cuts to actively replace human engineers and support staff with autonomous, agentic AI. The market rewarded the stock, but it raises a critical question. Can a company actually swap 4,000 human workers for machine learning algorithms without eventually breaking its own infrastructure? Block replaced its departing staff with an in-house solution, an open-source framework called Goose. Written in Rust, Goose acts as an agentic harness, meaning it can directly interface with local computer environments to execute commands on its own. They paired this framework with a specialized bot called Builderbot, which lives entirely inside the company's internal Slack channels. Today, Builderbot reviews over 90% of all production code changes. Without a single human engineer clicking approve, these bots are autonomously merging roughly 1,500 pull requests every single week. This dual-axis bar chart tracks the actual impact on engineering output. Between January and April 2026, the number of code changes pushed per engineer jumped 2.5 times. Simultaneously, the incident error rate dropped by 70%. By generating more reliable code with half the staff, Block is proving that artificial intelligence can lower operational costs while simultaneously scaling output. Block is now closing the loop between its users. The Neighborhoods initiative directly connects 59 million Cash App consumers to local Square merchants. These transactions stay entirely within Block's servers, completely bypassing expensive intermediary pathways like Visa and Mastercard. The physical anchor for this system sits right on the merchant's checkout counter, processing the transaction on the ground without ever touching an outside bank. By keeping the processing fees that usually go to outside credit card companies, Block generates immense profit from its power users. Customers who use Cash App as their primary bank now generate up to 10 times more gross profit than standard peer-to-peer users. Building intensity, with AI handling the internal code and this closed loop handling the money, Block has moved past the limitations of a digital wallet. It functions as a self-sustaining AI-managed shadow bank, but looking at the actual accounting reveals a massive discrepancy. This chart illustrates Block's first quarter earnings in 2026. On one side, the company reported $728 million in adjusted operating income. Under strict GAAP, they posted a net loss of $308 million. Isolating the GAAP side, this waterfall chart shows a staggering $500 million wiped out entirely by transaction losses and bad loans. The same autonomous systems that drove efficiency also accelerated Cash App's Microloan product, pushing consumer lending originations up 82%. The bots are approving loans faster than ever, but the human borrowers on the other end are defaulting at elevated rates. This exposes Block to heavy macroeconomic risks. With massive portfolios tied up in buy now, pay later debt, any downturn in consumer financial health hits their balance sheet directly. A specialized algorithm can write perfect code and automate internal chat rooms, but it cannot force a financially strained consumer to pay back their loan. Beyond the credit defaults, the company's rapid growth has attracted intense federal scrutiny. Historically, Cash App's onboarding allowed users to easily open multiple restricted accounts, effectively bypassing individual identity verification limits. That loose compliance structure triggered severe consequences. By 2025, a multi-state settlement and a $40 million penalty from New York regulators. Those fines are minor compared to the active threat looming over the company right now, an ongoing compliance inquiry led by the Department of Justice. Anticipating the fallout, Block proactively set aside $240 million in the first quarter of 2026 just to cover a potential settlement. In their own filings, management openly admitted that the final financial blow could be materially higher. By eliminating 4,000 positions and automating core workflows, Jack Dorsey proved that technology can inflate operating margins. However, algorithms cannot override the foundational laws of credit and federal compliance.